Hey, Jason from XFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how Safe Chrome extension individually disable the chat feature of students in Google Meet to keep the class quiet. Do you find an issue of annoying students keep posting chat messages in Google Meet that interrupted online classes? Yes, teachers wanted to disable Google Meet's chat feature since it seems more harmful than good in remote learning. So, let's see how it works. The left side window is the student's Meet interface with SafeDoc installed, and the right side window is the teacher's window. Ask your teachers to use the magic command that are seeing on screen in the chat window to disable the given student's chat feature for the lecture session. Take a look at the following example. SafeDoc's chat off command allows teachers to block individual students chatting in Google Meet. The blocking of chat feature is controlled by Enable Meet Chat Off command policy. If you have yet to install SafeDoc, apply for a 30 days trial. The SafeDoc subscription form link is also given in the video description. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your K-12 school system very well.